So just like for directive, we have each directive in SASS, and it's kind of similar to for directive. The directive will loop over each item in a list or map. It's kind of similar to array or object, you might say. Well, so if you know JavaScript, it will be very easier to understand. Just like you can see that here, this blue, red, green is a list or array, and the syntax is kind of similar with JavaScript for loop. Well, let's see it. For it is in JavaScript, let color in JavaScript it will be off, and then blue, green, and red, and here the color will be blue, red, green, one by one. All right, so if you console.log color, it will be blue, red, green, one by one. This is the same as this syntax in SASS. So the each directive will work exactly like this in JavaScript. And also you can see the another example here. It is operated in map in SASS, but it will be kind of like the map means it will have key value pairs, and so it will be kind of like this. Syntactically it will be an array of arrays, so it will be like this: color 1 blue, and then color 2 red, and then color 3 green. So the first, if you do that, you will get the value of the color will be this array and this array and then this array one by one. But we don't want to have this like that. Instead, we have to destructure it so that we get what we want, right? So if we want and if we just give this just one variable, it will get color 1, color 2, color 3 one by one. But we don't want to get that. We want to get just the value of the blue, red, green. So it will be like key and then color. So keys will be color 1, color 2, color 3, and the colors will be blue, red, and green. So this is the concept. If we want to replicate it in JavaScript, you can also check this using the console here, and you can see the output live. But we don't have to do that all stuff. We just have to be happy with the SASS. You will check it out later in the JavaScript style. All right, so our task is write an each directive that goes through a list of blue, red, green, and assigns each variable to a color bg class. And where the color changes, the color part will be changed, and it will be blue, red, green. Sorry, blue, black, red. And each class should set the background color. So the blue, it will be like this: blue bg, black bg, and red bg. All right, so for now, let's say we have this clean slate. The blue, black, and red bg doesn't mean anything. We have to make some sort of meaning to it, right? So let's try this out. We have to write an each directive, and just like the previous one, the previous example, we have to write a key. We have to destructure it, and here there is no sort of first bracket or braces here. It just is simple without any first bracket. Key and color in. All right, so we don't have to do sort of mapping here, so we can just put simple color in blue, black, and red. And also we don't have to put any sort of string. It's all sorted out behind the scene. All right, so now we can do something like this. All right, so first one, the color, and then BG, right? Color, BG, and we can see it here. It will be blue, black, red, BG, and inside it we have to set the background color. And background color will be the color, right? How can I verify it? Well, you can see that there is a misspelled. Yeah, it's all sorted. We can remove the T's. Now let's try it out. Let's submit it. Done. Moving on to the next.